In today's digital age, social media is the ultimate battleground for capturing and holding attention. Businesses and individuals are constantly vying for a coveted spot on our feeds, hoping to stand out. The pressure is on to churn out engaging and relevant content day after day without fail. But social media trends are like quicksand, constantly shifting, evolving, and hard to keep up with. Imagine mastering the perfect tweet only to find out that Instagram Reels are now the name of the game, changing the rules. It's a never-ending cycle that can leave you feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, and burnt out. And the fear of falling behind in this fast-paced environment can be paralyzing. This is where the transformative power of artificial intelligence comes into play, offering a lifeline. AI is like having a secret weapon in your social media arsenal. It can analyze data, predict trends, and even generate content, freeing up your time. AI can sift through mountains of data in the blink of an eye, identifying patterns and insights. Armed with this information, you can create laser-focused content that sparks conversations and boosts engagement. AI-powered tools can help you craft compelling captions, schedule posts, and identify the perfect visuals. Artificial intelligence might sound like sci-fi, but it's simply machines learning from data. Imagine feeding a computer a massive cookbook with thousands of recipes. The computer analyzes each recipe, identifying patterns and connections. Over time, it becomes master chef, predicting which ingredients work well together. Apply that concept to social media, and AI can analyze millions of posts, understanding sentiment and predicting what content will resonate. One powerful application of AI and social media is content creation. AI-powered tools can help you craft engaging captions, optimize hashtags, and generate high-quality images and videos. Imagine creating stunning visuals without any design experience. AI can also help you manage your social media presence more effectively. AI-powered scheduling tools can analyze your audience's behavior and identify the optimal times to post. AI is already being used by brands and individuals to supercharge their social media presence. Sephora uses an AI-powered chatbot on its Facebook page to provide personalized product recommendations and book appointments. This enhances the customer experience and frees up human customer service agents. BuzzFeed uses AI to analyze trending topics and create shareable content tailored to specific social media platforms. These examples show how AI achieves real-world results in the social media landscape. AI-driven trend analysis is like having a virtual crystal ball. AI-powered tools can analyze massive data sets, identifying patterns and anomalies. They can track the rise and fall of keywords, hashtags, and even emojis. By understanding emerging trends, you can tailor your content to capitalize on current conversations. Instead of chasing fleeting fads, you can strategically align your content strategy with data-backed insights. AI can be your co-pilot in the content creation process. AI-powered writing assistants can help you craft compelling captions and generate blog post ideas. Imagine struggling with writer's block only to have an AI assistant suggest catchy headlines. AI-powered image generators can transform your ideas into stunning visuals. From generating eye-catching graphics to optimizing video length, AI can be your secret weapon for creating high-quality content. The market is flooded with AI tools promising to transform your social media presence, identify your specific needs, and choose tools that align with your goals and budget. Explore different tools and take advantage of free trials to test their features. Remember, the most expensive tool isn't necessarily the best fit for your needs. The world of social media is brimming with examples of brands leveraging. Netflix uses AI to personalize its content recommendations, enhancing user experience and driving engagement. Taco Bell created an AI-powered chatbot for its Taco Bot campaign, generating buzz on social media. These examples highlight how AI enhances various aspects of a brand's social media presence. From content personalization to customer service, AI is making a significant impact. Influencers are also turning to AI to boost their reach and engagement. AI-powered influencer marketing platforms provide valuable insights to help influencers tailor their content. These platforms can also help influencers identify relevant brands to collaborate with. AI tools can streamline the content creation process, from generating captions to scheduling posts. AI is becoming an indispensable tool for influencers looking to thrive in the competitive world of social media. AI is not just for the elite few, it's accessible to everyone. Affordable and even free AI-powered tools are available to businesses and individuals of all sizes. Small businesses and local artists can leverage these tools to compete in the digital arena. A local bakery can use AI-powered social media management tools to optimize their content strategy. The democratization of AI is empowering individuals and organizations to achieve their social media goals. In the relentless world of media, time is a precious commodity. AI steps in as your personal time machine, automating tedious tasks and freeing up valuable hours. Imagine delegating the repetitive task of scheduling posts to an AI-powered tool. AI can also, the content creation process itself, AI-powered writing assistants can help you generate topic ideas, craft compelling captions. Automating repetitive tasks, AI empowers you to work smarter, not harder. AI to become a more effective social media strategist. By providing data-driven insights, AI equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Imagine having access to a dashboard that shows you exactly which types of content resonate most with your audience. AI can also help you identify emerging trends before they become mainstream. This level of insight transforms you from a passive observer to an active participant in the social media landscape. While AI in social media is alluring, crucial to approach it with a discerning eye. One primary concern is the risk of over-reliance on AI, leading to a decline in human creativity. AI can assist in content creation, but human intuition and emotional intelligence are irreplaceable. Another potential pitfall is the risk of perpetuating biases present in the data used to train AI algorithms. The use of AI in social media raises concerns about data privacy and security. AI tools require access to vast amounts of user data, raising questions about how this data is collected and used. Section 2, ethical AI, using your powers for good. As we venture into the age of AI-powered social media, it's our shared responsibility to prioritize ethical considerations and ensure that these tools are used responsibly and for the greater good of society. Transparency and accountability are paramount in this endeavor. Social media platforms and AI developers must be transparent about how their algorithms work, what data they collect, and how they use it to influence user experiences. Users have the right to understand how AI is shaping their online experiences and should be empowered to make informed decisions about their data privacy. Furthermore, it's crucial to establish clear ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI in social media. And these guidelines should address issues such as bias mitigation, data privacy, and the responsible use of AI-generated content to avoid misinformation. Industry-wide standards and regulations can help ensure that AI is used ethically and that potential harms are minimized. Ultimately, the goal is to harness the power of AI to enhance the social media experience, foster meaningful connections, and create a more inclusive and equitable online world. By embracing ethical considerations, promoting transparency, and fostering a culture of responsible AI use, we can navigate the potential drawbacks and unlock the transformative potential of AI for the benefit of all, ensuring a brighter future. Section 1, the AI-powered future of social media. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in social media, one thing is clear: AI is not a passing fad. It's a transformative force that will continue to reshape the digital landscape in profound ways. The future holds both exciting possibilities and complex challenges as AI becomes increasingly integrated into our social media experiences, influencing how we interact, share, and consume content. Imagine a world where AI seamlessly personalizes your social media feeds, content tailored to your unique interests, values, and aspirations, making every scroll feel like it was designed just for you. AI-powered virtual assistants could manage your social media presence with minimal human intervention, posts, crafting captions, and even responding to comments in a way that feels authentic and engaging, saving you time and effort. The lines between human and AI-generated content blur, challenging our notions of creativity and connection in the digital age as AI tools become more sophisticated and capable. However, amidst this technological evolution, one thing remains constant: the human desire for genuine connection, meaningful engagement, and a sense of belonging, which technology alone cannot replace. AI at its core is a powerful tool, no doubt, but a tool nonetheless, designed to augment human capabilities rather than replace them. Its ultimate impact on social media will depend on how we choose to wield its capabilities, balancing innovation with ethical considerations. By embracing ethical considerations, human values, and fostering a spirit of collaboration between humans and machines, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a more vibrant, inclusive, and empowering social media landscape that benefits everyone. The future of social media is not about replacing human connection with AI, but rather about leveraging AI to enhance and enrich our online interactions, making them more meaningful and impactful. It's about using AI to break down barriers, amplify diverse voices, and foster a more empathetic and understanding digital world where everyone feels heard and valued. The AI-powered future of social media is not predetermined. It's a story that we are writing together, one post, one comment, one connection at a time, shaping the digital landscape for generations to come.